There is something about arriving at Castle Satsve, walking across the grounds to my tent, hearing the crunch of gravel, feeling the peace settle in, and then that first night, wrapped in coziness, candles flickering, rain tapping on canvas.
This is going to be a really nice night. I love it.
Mornings in my tent, they're magic. Warm, still, a quiet start before the rhythm of the camp begins. I love slipping into my garments, one layer at a time, feeling the transformation and the energy in our group. Supportive, strong, a little wild, a little wise. Then the show, watching it all come together, after rehearsals, finally seeing it complete. But then comes that moment when the tent is gone and the ground where it stood feels strangely empty. I'll be back this fall. And you?